Can you mix battery power and a hardwired common conductor on a thermostat without causing damage or operational issues? Most modern thermostats are designed to accept both battery backup and a hardwired common conductor, but the correct approach matters. First, check the thermostat's installation manual to confirm manufacturer guidance on using the common conductor with batteries installed. If the thermostat supports battery backup plus a common conductor, leave batteries in to preserve settings during power interruptions, but use fresh alkaline batteries and replace them on the manufacturer's recommended schedule to avoid low voltage behavior. When wiring, isolate power at the furnace or air handler, verify voltage between the common conductor and the 24-volt hot lead with a multimeter, and attach the common conductor to the thermostat C terminal and the hot 2R. Do not tie the common to any other low voltage wires. If you encounter rapid battery drain after adding the common conductor, measure standby current at the furnace board. Excessive draw often means a shorted or miswired control board or a thermostat firmware issue, and swapping the thermostat temporarily to confirm where the drain originates is a fast diagnostic. For heat pump systems or multi-stage equipment, confirm that the thermostat's internal power stealing behavior is disabled when a true common conductor is present. If the thermostat still power steals, update firmware or choose a model that cleanly supports both power sources. Use a voltage tester or clamp meter to ensure the common conductor supplies stable 24 volts and that there is no stray high voltage induction from nearby wiring bundles. If replacing an old mercury or mechanical thermostat, transfer only labeled wires and avoid splicing the common conductor into unrelated circuits. Secure connections with proper low-voltage wire nuts or push-in terminals and insulate exposed copper to prevent shorting. Finally, after installation, cycle the system through heating, cooling, and fan modes to confirm reliable operation and inspect the furnace or air handler for error codes that might indicate improper wiring. One of the most common issues is thermostat battery drain, which often appears as rapid battery depletion or lockups. Fix this by confirming a good common conductor connection, testing the furnace control board for leakage current, and replacing the thermostat if standby current exceeds manufacturer specifications. One of the next frequent problems is improper 24-volt common wiring, causing reboot loops or intermittent control. Use a multimeter to verify stable 24-volt supply between the hot and common, correct any loose or corroded terminal connections, and ensure the common is not sharing a splice with unrelated grounds. One of the third typical mistakes is assuming all thermostats support simultaneous battery and common usage. Avoid this by reading product documentation, updating thermostat firmware, and if necessary, switching to a model explicitly rated for battery backup plus common conductor operation. BigHomeProjects.com lists trusted local contractors and provides homeowner reviews and project filters tailored to thermostat replacement and HVAC wiring projects. The directory helps homeowners find licensed electricians and HVAC technicians, and it helps contractors get work by showcasing verified profiles and local project leads.